One of the trends that I've noticed in bathroom design these days is that everybody wants everything off the floor. And that obviously means you've got a wall hang, the basin and the WC and so on. Now, for me and a lot of other installers, that presents a challenge because often you're fixing to plasterboard walls, you're fixing to insubstantial bits of stolaging, making things up. It's never very satisfactory. Now, this basin and this furniture is not lightweight. And if you're putting that onto plasterboard fixings, you're never 100% confident. And this is precisely why this furniture basin frame has been developed. It solves that problem for the installer, giving them a purpose-made, secure fixing, not only for the basin, but for the furniture. So whether the furniture is supporting the basin or whether the basin is being hung independently of the furniture, they can all be accommodated on this secure fixing. Now, if all this was doing was providing a really secure fixing for the basin and the furniture, you might think, okay, I can get away without that, I can do something. But have a look at this, because I think this is the thing that really sells it. You have adjustable supplies here, isolating valves, which can be adapted to any size tiles you want. They've got bushes to adapt and they can be moved in and out, up and down. But you've also got hidden inside here a trap. Now, very often the traps are the bits that really cause the problems with furniture under basins, because how do you accommodate them? They get in the way of the drawer and so on. But this trap is hidden away inside the wall, and you can plumb it up, you can adjust it up or down to suit the basin waist, and it's got an adapter at the bottom that will take you to 1.5 inches waist, which I think is a great idea. You can do that, or of course you can go down to 1.25 inches. And all that can be plumbed in, fully tested, and left for the tiler to come in and do his bit, and you don't need to worry about fitting the basin and the furniture until all that has been done. And for me, that is a stroke of pure genius. So now the bit you really want to see is how to fit it. So that's it, that's a trial fit, and all I've done here is to take you through the process, but of course the wall would normally be tiled before you did this bit, but I always reckon when you're doing this it's nice to have a little trial fit, and that way when the tiler comes along you know everything is in the right place. But the great thing is that with this basin frame you do have the ability to adjust it. Even after the tiling's been done, you can adjust the fall on that waist. And how often do you see them where they're running slightly uphill? So for me, that's another great feature.